With 2026 just around the corner, everyday carry gear is hitting a whole new level of innovation. We're moving into the era of titanium precision and smart integrated carry. Today, we're counting down 20 incredible EDC essentials everyone will appreciate in the coming year. From modular multi-tools and MagSafe-compatible chargers to next-gen smart wallets and ultra-compact lighting, these picks are designed to keep you prepared without the bulk. Whether you're a minimalist or a tech enthusiast, these are the upgrades your pockets have been waiting for. Let's dive in. Never crush your favorite hat again. Meet the Niveaya Magnetic Hat Clip, a smart travel-on-bag magnetic storage hook designed for effortless style on the go. This vacation traveling essentials accessory beige is upgraded with a magnetic hat clip, featuring the external use of high-grade leather and built-in N52 strong magnets for a stylish appearance and strong suction force. Original US patented, it firmly hangs hats without folding, decorates backpacks and handbags, holds hats, keys, and sunglasses. The magnetic hat clip is lightweight, credit card sized, easy to use, and a perfect gift for women. Small tool, huge everyday impact. Meet the Ysmart titanium mini knife, built for moments when precision matters. This tungsten blade micro knife is the smallest, toughest, lightest solution you need daily. Featuring an 11-gram carbon fiber, tungsten blade, carbon fiber body, magnetic quick release, and titanium construction, it's sharp, fast, and impossible to ignore. Grab, pull, cut, clean on boxes, sharp on wood, easy on straps, precision on leather, ready in the field, weatherproof, life-proof EDC gear art. Meet the Prakie USB cable, a USB-A to USB-C cable for car, offered as a 2-pack 6-foot coiled USB-C cable fast charging solution. Tired of tangled cords and slow charging? This elastic coiled USB-C cable is stretchable, space-saving, and made from upgraded high-quality PU material for durability. It supports fast charging up to 66 watts, 480 megabits per second data transfer, and safely charges iPhone Pro Max, Samsung Galaxy, and more USB-C devices at home, office, riding, or while traveling. Protect your foldable in style with the Kaiiecal Samsung phone case, made to impress at first glance. When daily drops, scratches, and hinge wear threaten your device, this Samsung Z Fold 5 case is the smart solution. Featuring hidden kickstand, wireless charging, slim hinge protection, lightweight stand case with screen protector, polycarbonate and microfiber build, it's used to protect, support hands-free viewing, enable wireless charging, and keep your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 safe and comfortable every day. Keep your essentials secure and stylish every day. The Visoul Bifold wallet features carbon fiber leather outside and genuine cow leather inside, combining waterproof, scratch-resistant durability with soft, lightweight comfort. With tons of compartments, 2 ID card flaps, 6 card slots, 2 cash pockets, and 2 secret slots, it's a designer wallet for men that fits in your back pocket. Built-in RFID blocking protects your cards while keeping IDs and cash organized and easily accessible. Be ready for anything with the MagSafe-compatible Tacto EDC tool, a sleek, pocket-ready titanium companion. When struggling with packages, tape, or quick fixes, this dual bolt-action box cutter is essential. Featuring a 440C blade, screwdriver, and an eternal pen module, it's TSA-friendly, durable, waterproof, and perfectly sized for a comfortable grip. Use it to cut, tighten, jot notes, or tackle everyday tasks. Always reliable, compact, and ready on your keychain, bag, or worn as a pendant. Reach new heights safely and easily with the Taranta aluminum ladder, a lightweight folding step stool designed for use at home, in the kitchen, and in the office. When everyday tasks require extra reach, this 2-step ladder with extra-wide anti-slip steps and a 330-pound capacity is essential. Weighing only 6.2 pounds with a compact space-saving design, it's ready to use out of the box, providing secure, stable footing, reinforced aluminum support, and effortless portability for all your indoor chores. Stay ready for any adventure, rain or shine. The Marsrut Matchboxes feature a friction plate striker and matchstick holder in a vintage portable mini storage design, combining waterproof and stain-resistant durability with sleek, reusable construction. With a one-button easy-open mechanism, it keeps matches secure, dry, and ready. Lightweight and pocket-friendly, this stainless steel matchbox is perfect for outdoor camping, travel, or everyday use, ensuring reliable ignition whenever and wherever you need it. Keep your everyday tasks simple and efficient. The Corebit EDC power tool features a titanium handle, brass pivot, and stainless steel blade, combining corrosion-resistant durability with lightweight comfort. With 5 built-in tools, hex bit driver, bottle opener, scraper edge, keychain hole, and blade, it's a compact mini knife that fits on your keychain, backpack, or belt loop. Perfect for opening packages, light-duty carving, or quick fixes, it delivers reliable utility wherever you go. Bring home a companion that's smart, playful, and endlessly curious. The digital Dream Labs Vector robot is the smart AI companion powered by ChatGPT, perfect for young and old alike. This special edition AI-powered robot navigates independently, recognizes faces, and reacts to its surroundings. With multilingual support, an HD camera, advanced sensors, and an expressive personality, Vector chats, answers questions, and learns continuously, making it an engaging, intelligent, and fully autonomous companion for any household. Be prepared for any adventure with the Kaiiecal multifunctional EDC tool, the ultimate 12-in-1 companion for explorers. When facing the unknown, this tie tool provides a knife, wrench, saw, pry bar, screwdriver, ruler, bottle opener, comb, and window breaker in one compact design. Crafted from durable titanium alloy with a carburized surface, it handles cutting, tightening, prying, and measuring tasks effortlessly. Easy to carry and versatile, Kaiiecal keeps you ready for every challenge in the outdoors. Stay fresh and prepared every day. The Dailycarryco Toothpick holder features polished titanium construction, combining durable, reusable design with compact, travel-friendly convenience. With a portable metal travel toothpick that fits easily in pockets or bags, it replaces flimsy disposable alternatives while offering reliable strength and sustainability. Perfect for business trips, hiking, or everyday use, this EDC micro toothpick ensures optimal oral care on the go, keeping you confident and ready wherever you are. Stay comfortable and stylish all day. The LionVII elastic ratchet belts feature a 1 3/8-inch stretch belt with an automatic buckle for men, combining high-strength metal and wear-resistant nylon for flexibility, breathability, and quick-drying comfort. Fully adjustable with a trim-to-fit strap, it fits perfectly without holes. Ideal for work, travel, or outdoor sports, this durable belt pairs effortlessly with shorts, jeans, or cargo trousers, offering reliable support and timeless style for all seasons. Keep your tech organized and accessible every day. The Native Union's Stow Lite Organizer is a minimalist travel pouch made of recycled materials, combining durability with water-repellent protection. With flexible pockets, it stores cables, chargers, AirPods, and more, keeping everything fixed and tangle-free. Sleek and understated, with genuine leather accents, it's perfect for effortless everyday carry, offering a sustainable, stylish solution to protect and organize your accessories wherever you go. Keep your keys organized and accessible every day. The Hcuocsk keychain features a carabiner clip keychain with a bottle opener, 3 key rings, and a secure metal snap lock, combining durability with multifunctional design. Perfect for carrying car, home, or work keys, it also works as a mini screwdriver, climbing buckle, or box opener. Ergonomic and sturdy, it's ideal as a family present for men and women, decluttering your life with style and reliability. Relieve stress instantly, right at your desk. The Tech Tools Stress Buster Punching Bag suctions securely to any surface, offering a heavy-duty stress relief ball that bounces back with a resilient spring. Perfect as a funny gag gift or white elephant gift for co-workers, men and women, it helps vent frustration, reduce anxiety, and add fun to your workspace. Ideal for home or office, it's a top gadget for daily stress relief. Keep your essentials secure and accessible every day. Meet the Trayvax Original Wallet, a slim, minimalist RFID front pocket tactical metal credit card holder with a money clip, crafted from anodized aircraft-grade aluminum and stainless steel. Designed for men and women, it holds up to 15 cards and 5 cash bills, featuring an ID window, bottle opener, pry bar, and secure attachment point. Durable and multifunctional, it's perfect for travel, daily use, and protecting your personal information. Take to the skies with the 4D RC Mini Drone, a fun and safe RC quadcopter designed for kids and beginners. With 2 control methods, handheld takeoff and remote control, plus 3 adjustable speeds, headless mode, auto hover, altitude hold, 360-degree flips, and colorful LED lights, it offers a rich flying experience. Equipped with 2 batteries for extended flight time and full propeller protection, this mini drone is the perfect gift for indoor and outdoor aerial fun. Elevate your desk with the Mokoqi magnetic levitating globe, a mesmerizing floating globe that spins effortlessly in mid-air using magnetic force. Featuring 3 LED lights that glow purple, pink, and cyan, it creates a stunning centerpiece for home or office. Perfect as a cool tech gift for men, fathers, boys, and girls, it's ideal for birthdays, holidays, or as a unique conversation piece, blending decor, education, and entertainment seamlessly. Charge all your devices effortlessly on the go. The Kysson Foldable Charging Station is a 3-in-1 travel wireless charger for MagSafe, iPhone, iWatch, and AirPods, designed for eco-friendly travelers. Foldable to 180 degrees for ultimate portability, it features strong magnetic attraction for secure alignment, supports horizontal and vertical orientations, and delivers fast 15-watt charging with a 20-watt adapter. Compact, safe, and efficient, it's the perfect travel companion for keeping all your devices powered anytime, anywhere. That wraps up our top 20 EDC picks for 2026. From high-tech gadgets to rugged pocket classics, these items are built to keep you ready for any situation. You can find links to all the gear featured today in the description below to check current availability. Which of these is a must-have for your daily carry? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this gear guide, please hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews. Stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next one.